Assalamu alaikum and good evening friends. How are you? This is Mr. Danial here. Danial, please, I want to show you a collection of Mr. Danial. You can see here he's a big collection. This is only one box actually I want to show you, and he has every type of car. Number of cars are here. Look here. Look here. These are cars and cars here. Cars, different types of car, and small one, big one, remote control, everyone car is here. So actually he's really loves to play with the car. So today I would show you, and sometime when today's Friday and today I have no work, and so I would like to show you how he play with cars. Mr. Danial, this is a big collection, a huge collection of cars now. This is Mr. Danial. Let's see how he plays with cars. Mr. Danial, let's see. Let's throw the car. Actually, he takes this car. Look here, and we will take this car for example, and we will throw it. For example, you will see it how we play. Look at there. Okay. Now the next one. Daniel, throw. Yes. He's throwing. We play and we throw. Oh God. Oh my God. So we are throwing this car. Yes. So Mr. Danial, he has having cars in hands like this one, and we are throwing these cars over there, and sometimes they are colliding with each other. And this is a really we are inside the room and we're playing together. Actually, his both brothers are not at home. They have a program, so they are not at home. So that is why I am playing with Mr. Danial. Mr. Danial, please now. Let's start the game. Let's see. Okay, I throw the ball. Throw the car, not the ball. I have this yellow car. Yellow car is coming. Yes. Oh, it's collided with the car. Oh my God, there are numbers of cars here. Would you believe that? What a shot he played, Mr. Danial on fire. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's say. Oh God, would you believe that? Mr. Danial on fire. We have a huge collection, my dear friends. Oh, this is a big car. It's a really big car. And oh, it's coming back. The car is coming back. Oh my God, it's coming back. Oh my God, it's coming back. Oh, would you believe that? Mr. Danial is a great man. He is a great man. He's throwing his car. Oh my God, there's a huge collection. As I told you before, we have this is only one box actually, and he has a number of boxes of different cars. You can see here, enjoying and playing. He really loves the cars. I hope when he will be when he will a young boy, he will have plenty of collection of big cars also. After having a driving license, I think so. Inshallah. So let's see. We are throwing cars and in different direction. Mr. Danial, please throw your cars. This car is going over there, and then this is being thrown by Mr. Danial, and this is my car. Okay, no damage. So let's throw together, no damage again. So we are playing. Oh my God, Mr. Danial, do you like your cars? Which is your favorite cars, please? So show the people your favorite car. Which is your favorite car? Oh my God, this is a small toy, but let me show your favorite car, please, Mr. Danial. This is a green one in his hand. You can see this is his favorite cars. He has